In number 2, we have a less than or equal to. Remember, again, not spelling this incorrectly. I'm spelling it this way on purpose. Think of it as less than. When we have a less than or equal to, we have an and inequality that we have to create. So we're going to take the inside, that 1/3 x, and it's going to be less than or equal to 2, but it also has to be greater than or equal to -2. Alright, so an and inequality is when we put two inequalities together to make one. So that happens when we have less than or equal to, or less than or, just less than, or less than or equal to. So with this one then, we want to go ahead and solve this, and we want to get rid of that 1/3 x in the middle. We're going to do that by multiplying all three parts by 3. So we end up getting -6 here, x all by itself in the middle, and 6 right here. So x has to be greater than or equal to -6, but less than or equal to 6. So I'm going to go ahead and put 0 in the middle. To make sure I have enough room here, I'm going to go ahead and go by 2s on my number line. So I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and -2, so on. So now when I graph my answer, we are going from -6 to 6. And both of these are going to be solid dots because they're included because of the or equals to in our symbols. So we're shading in between there. And then our last part is to write our answer in interval notation. So remember, we always go from left to right. So we're starting at -6, and we go all the way to +6. Since these are closed dots, we dealt with less than or equal to signs. They're included, so we use brackets for this one.